Buying a new car in 2026 should feel exciting, not stressful. But for many buyers, the fear of hidden engine problems is stronger than ever. Rising repair costs, expensive turbocharged engines, hybrid complexity, and strict emission systems have made modern vehicles more powerful, but sometimes less reliable. Many automakers promote advanced engineering, better fuel economy, and stronger performance. However, behind the glossy advertisements, some brands continue to face serious questions about engine durability, oil consumption, turbo failures, timing chain issues, and expensive hybrid-related breakdowns. In some cases, owners discover these problems only after the warranty expires, leaving them with repair bills worth thousands of dollars. This does not mean every vehicle from these brands is bad. It means buyers need to be careful, do proper research, and understand which engines have developed reputations for long-term trouble. Some manufacturers have improved, while others still struggle to fully rebuild trust. Industry experts often point out that the biggest problem is not just the failure itself, it is the delay in transparency. Many owners report repeated dealer visits, unclear explanations, software updates instead of real mechanical fixes, or warranty disputes that take months to resolve. That creates frustration and damages brand loyalty. Let's look closely at 7 major car brands that continue to face criticism over engine reliability concerns in 2026, and why smart buyers should pay attention before signing any paperwork. Number 1. Ford Motor Company. EcoBoost questions still follow the brand. Few modern engines created as much excitement as Ford's EcoBoost lineup. Smaller displacement, turbocharged power, and strong towing capability made engines like the 2.7-liter, 3.5-liter, and 1.5-liter EcoBoost extremely popular in trucks and SUVs. But reliability concerns have followed these engines for years. The 3.5-liter EcoBoost V6, especially in older Ford F-150 models, developed a reputation for timing chain stretch, carbon buildup, cam phaser noise, and turbo-related repairs. Some owners also reported coolant intrusion and excessive oil consumption. Even newer models continue to raise concerns, particularly among truck buyers who keep vehicles past 100,000 miles. While Ford has introduced updates and redesigns, trust takes longer to rebuild than engines. Automotive service professionals often mention that turbocharged engines perform well when maintained perfectly. But missed oil changes or heavy towing accelerate wear significantly. Experts also warn buyers not to assume a new generation automatically means permanent fixes. Always verify the exact engine code and production year. For 2026 buyers, the lesson is simple. Do not buy based only on horsepower numbers. Reliability history matters more. General Motors, lifter failures still hurt confidence. General Motors continues to sell millions of trucks and SUVs under Chevrolet and GMC, but one issue refuses to disappear: lifter failure. The 5.3-liter and 6.2L V8 engines equipped with active fuel management (AFM) and dynamic fuel management (DFM) systems have generated major owner complaints. These systems are designed to improve fuel economy by shutting down cylinders when full power is not needed. On paper, it sounds smart. In reality, collapsed lifters, camshaft damage, misfires, and expensive top-end repairs have frustrated owners for years. Some repairs cost thousands of dollars, especially outside warranty coverage. Truck experts say AFM and DFM systems often become the weak point rather than the engine's core structure. The V8 itself can be strong, but the cylinder deactivation system creates added complexity. This is especially important for buyers looking at used Chevrolet Silverado or GMC Sierra models. Some owners even choose aftermarket solutions to disable AFM systems entirely, something that says a lot about consumer confidence. In 2026, GM still builds desirable trucks, but buyers must research engine-specific reliability instead of trusting the badge alone. Number 3. Stellantis. Pentastar and Hemi problems still linger under the Stellantis umbrella. Brands like Ram trucks, Jeep, and Dodge remain hugely popular. But engine reliability questions continue to affect buyer confidence. The 3.6-liter Pentastar V6 has been used across multiple platforms for years. While many versions perform well, earlier models developed cylinder head issues, oil cooler leaks, and valve train concerns. Meanwhile, the legendary Hemi V8, especially the 5.7-liter, has faced repeated complaints involving exhaust manifold bolts, lifter failures, and the famous Hemi tick. Not every ticking sound means disaster, but enough serious cases have made buyers nervous. Technicians often explain that some failures are linked to lubrication patterns and long oil change intervals. In heavy-duty use, especially towing or commercial driving, weaknesses become more obvious. Ram 1500 buyers in particular should pay close attention to maintenance history and engine inspection before purchase. Brand loyalty is strong with Ram and Jeep owners, but so is frustration when repairs arrive early. Number 4. Hyundai Motor Company. Past engine scandals still affect trust. Hyundai made huge progress in design, technology, and value, but engine reliability controversies left lasting damage. The Theta 2 engine family became one of the most discussed engine reliability scandals of the last decade. Problems included bearing wear, knocking, oil starvation, and catastrophic engine failure. Large recalls and warranty extensions followed, but many consumers remain cautious. Even though newer engines and hybrid systems have improved significantly, the memory of those failures still shapes buying decisions in 2026. Experts often say reputation damage lasts far longer than recall paperwork. Consumers looking at used Hyundai or Kia vehicles often ask the same question first: does it have the bad engine? That alone shows how powerful reliability history can be. Hyundai deserves credit for addressing many issues, but cautious buyers should still verify VIN-specific recall status and complete service history before buying. Never assume all fixes were completed simply because the car looks clean. Number 5. Nissan Motor Corporation. Variable compression, variable confidence. Nissan's VC-Turbo engine was marketed as a major engineering breakthrough. Variable compression technology promised the balance of performance and fuel economy that many buyers wanted. It sounded revolutionary. But revolutionary engineering also creates new reliability questions. Some owners of vehicles like the Nissan Rogue and Nissan Altima reported concerns involving turbo responsiveness, oil consumption, unusual noises, and long-term durability uncertainty. The issue is not always widespread failure, it is long-term trust. Mechanics often note that highly complex engines are harder and more expensive to diagnose when problems appear. That makes ownership risk higher after warranty expiration. Nissan also continues fighting old reliability perceptions created by CVT transmission complaints, which indirectly affects buyer confidence in engine technology too. Innovation is impressive, but buyers often prefer proven reliability over engineering experiments. That is the challenge Nissan still faces in 2026. 6. Volkswagen Group. Turbocharged performance, expensive repairs. Volkswagen has always attracted buyers who want a premium driving feel without full luxury pricing. But ownership costs can rise quickly when engine issues appear. The 2.0T turbocharged engine remains both loved and feared. Depending on the generation, owners have reported timing chain tensioner failures, carbon buildup, water pump leaks, oil consumption, and turbocharger repairs. Some versions improved dramatically, but the reputation remains mixed. Vehicles like the Volkswagen Tiguan and Volkswagen Golf GTI often deliver excellent driving dynamics, but maintenance discipline is absolutely critical. Independent European car specialists often warn that delayed service is far more dangerous with German turbo engines than with simpler naturally aspirated competitors. A missed maintenance interval can turn a minor issue into a major bill. Buyers attracted by lower used prices sometimes discover why the first owner sold it. Volkswagen can be rewarding, but only for informed owners. 7. Toyota Motor Corporation. Even the reliability king faces new questions. Yes, even Toyota belongs on this list. That may surprise many people because Toyota built its reputation on long-term durability. But newer turbocharged and hybrid systems have introduced fresh concerns. The twin-turbo V6 used in newer Toyota Tundra models has generated attention over reports of engine failures, unusual noises, and warranty investigations. While not every truck is affected, the issue shocked buyers because Toyota's reputation for bulletproof reliability is so strong. Some owners expected old-school V8 durability and instead found modern turbo complexity. Experts point out that expectations matter. A problem that might be tolerated from another brand becomes major news when it happens to Toyota. Toyota still ranks among the safest reliability bets overall, but blind trust is dangerous in 2026. Even Toyota buyers must research specific engines, not just the logo. The badge helps, but it does not guarantee perfection. What experts say buyers should do. The smartest buyers in 2026 are not avoiding brands, they are avoiding specific engines. That distinction matters. Automotive analysts consistently recommend researching exact engine families, production years, recall history, and technical service bulletins before purchase. A great vehicle can be ruined by one problematic powertrain. Here are the key expert recommendations. First, always request complete service records. Missing oil change history is a major red flag, especially for turbocharged engines. Second, research owner forums and technician reports, not just marketing claims. Real-world experience often reveals problems long before official recalls. Third, never ignore small warning signs like startup rattles, oil smell, coolant loss, or rough idle. Minor symptoms often signal major future repairs. Fourth, extended warranties may be worth serious consideration for high-tech turbo or hybrid powertrains. Finally, remember that used vehicles with too good to be true pricing often are exactly that. Cheap today can become expensive tomorrow. Final verdict. Engine failures are not new, but the cost of modern engine failure in 2026 is much higher than it was 10 years ago. Turbochargers, hybrid systems, emissions equipment, and complex electronics make repairs far more expensive and frustrating. The 7 brands on this list, Ford, GM, Stellantis, Hyundai, Nissan, Volkswagen, and even Toyota, prove that no manufacturer is immune. This does not mean you should never buy from them. It means you should buy smart. Do not trust advertisements. Do not trust dealership promises alone. Do not assume a famous badge guarantees reliability. Trust research, trust maintenance history, trust verified ownership experience. And most importantly, never buy a vehicle until you know exactly what is under the hood. Because in 2026, the engine you choose matters more than the logo on the grille.